If you've ever wanted to make your slides look more polished and dynamic, learning how to animate a table in PowerPoint is a great skill to have. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simplest way to bring a table to life step by step, so you can reveal information in a much cleaner and more professional way. This is perfect for business presentations, school projects, reports, dashboards, and any slide where you want your audience to focus on one part of the table at a time. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide that contains your table. Click directly on the table to select it. This is important because PowerPoint needs to know exactly which object you want to animate. Once the table is selected, head up to the Animations tab at the top of the screen. This is where PowerPoint gives you all the tools for adding motion and visual effects to your content. Now click Add Animation. When the animation menu opens, you'll see several different effects you can use. For a simple and clean look, choose something like Appear, Fade, or Wipe. These are some of the best options for tables because they keep the animation readable and professional instead of making the slide feel too busy. After you pick your animation, the next step is to control how the table enters the slide. With the table still selected, click Effect Options. This is where the magic happens because PowerPoint lets you decide whether the table should animate by row or by column. If you choose by row, each row of your table will appear one at a time, which is great when you want to explain data from top to bottom. If you choose by column, the table will reveal itself column by column, which can be helpful for comparing categories or showing grouped information. This step makes your table feel much more interactive and easier for your audience to follow. Instead of showing everything all at once, you can reveal the information in a controlled sequence. Once that's set up, open the Animation Pane. The Animation Pane helps you manage the order and timing of every animation on your slide, so it's a really useful tool when you want full control. Here, you can adjust when the table starts animating. If you want it to move only when you click, set the timing to on click. If you want it to begin automatically after another item, choose after previous. This is especially useful if your presentation has several animations and you want them to flow smoothly without clicking each time. Take a moment to test the timing and make sure it matches your presentation style. A table that appears too fast can be hard to read, while one that appears too slowly can interrupt your rhythm. The goal is to make the animation support your message, not distract from it. And that's it. Once you've selected your table, added an animation, chosen by row or by column, and set the timing in the animation pane, you've successfully animated a table in PowerPoint. It's a simple technique, but it can make a huge difference in how polished and professional your slides look. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more PowerPoint tutorials, and let me know in the comments what PowerPoint feature you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.